Good morning, children. Today we'll start our new work in our Artist Crash Color Shower book. For today's work, you have to take a Artist Crash Color Shower book. With that, you have to take a pencil and a crayons. You have to take all these things and open page number 15 and write first must and should. You should write down the date. This is a very important, children. You have to write down the date. After writing date, see children here what they given here. They given that sea creature. Here they given one big sea drawing. Okay, inside that they given a octopus and some plants also they given inside the sea. Whatever the plants will be there, that also they given, and also they given the stones and some water, everything they given. Now first what you have to do, you have to take a pencil and draw here one sleeping line. Draw here one sleeping line like this. After drawing sleeping line, what you have to do here, children, something I will change here. Just you have to observe that. Whatever I will change now, just you have to look at that and do the color as well as. Now see children, with the help of the pencil, you should draw a line like this and join this one. Okay, from here to here, whatever the border line will be there now, this portion you should do with the dark blue. Deep blue means dark blue. Okay, then after that over, come to the down. Here also, draw the line like this and join up to here. This one like this. Just observe the children, observe the drawing, how I am doing. Like this, you should draw the line with the help of the pencil. And this down part also, from here to here, this down part also you have to do with the dark blue. Okay children, see children here, this upper portion, here this upper portion, I drawn the line here. Then I given to do the dark blue from here to here, this portion full. After once you complete that one, come down, draw the line from this side like this. However, I drawn the line now, you have to see that, draw according to that. Then this down part also you have to do with the dark blue. This is your dark blue. You should use both the ways the same dark blue color. After once you complete the dark blue, what you have to do? You have to take a light blue color. You have to take a light blue color, middle part. From here to here, whatever the space will be there, no, this middle one. This one you should do with the light blue color. Okay children, from here to here, whatever the space will be there, no, the plain space, that one you have to do with the light blue. Observe carefully. Once again I am telling that here we are using two blue colors. In the picture they did not given the two blue colors, they given only one blue. But while doing we are using a two blue color, one dark blue and a light blue. The line, whatever line I did now, from here to upper portion you have to do the dark blue. From here to here, the down portion you have to do the dark blue. The middle portion you have to do with the light blue. Once you complete the dark blue and the light blue, now what you have to do? You have to take a light green and a dark green crayon. You have to take a light green and the dark green crayon. This one, whatever the plant they given, no, this plant you should do with the light green. This plant, this full plant you should do with the light green. Okay, then come this side, whatever plant they given, no, this plant you should do with the dark green. Okay children, light green you should do here. This plant you should do with the light green, and dark green you should do here. Okay children, after once you complete light green and the dark green, now what we have to do? We should do the brown color for the stones. You have to take our brown color, and wherever they given the circles, no, these circles we are thinking that the stones. Okay, this full you have to do with the brown color. This also do with brown. And here whatever the small circles they given now, that also you should do with the brown color. Okay children, once you complete the brown color here, now what you have to do? You have to take a red color and yellow color. You have to take a red and yellow color. Okay children, red color you should do the oval shape, whatever the oval shapes they given now, that full you have to do with the red. Whatever the oval shape, here they given the oval shape, again here also they given the oval shape, just you have to observe that full oval shapes you have to do with the red color. Once you complete the red color, you should take a yellow color. you should take a yellow color and whole octopus you should do with the yellow. Whole octopus, how you should do? You should do with the yellow. And one more thing, children, after full over, while doing the work, what you have to do? You have to see carefully to do the color. And here the big space, they given all big space only. So while doing the color, be careful. See, children, when you are doing the light blue and the dark blue, just observe, you have to do the coloring like this in a small shading work. This one will call as a small shading work. Either we will do with a crayon or a sketch pen. If you will do like this one will call as small shading. Like this neatly you should do with the sleeping wave only. Okay, children. After once you complete the light dark blue, you should take a light blue, and the light blue, wherever I said the light blue, no, you have to do the light blue there like this in a small shading work. Like this neatly you should do. Okay, children. After this over, what you have to do? Little part of octopus I am showing here. I said to do the red color, no? Do like this inside the oval shape only. Whatever shape, maybe they given a circle or a oval shape, whatever they given. Just you have to do the oval shape like this neatly. Okay. Once you complete the red color, then you can take yellow color and start to do the color. Like this neatly you should do. Once you complete this portion, then the next portion. That's also with a small shading work on the children. Okay, like this neatly you should do. If you do like this, if you leave white patches in the middle, means how it will look. Just you have to observe the work, children. Okay, while doing the work, you have to observe carefully how you should do the work. Like that only you have to do. Okay, children. Children, in this class we are doing only one work because it will take too much time. For that reason, I am giving only one work. While doing the work, be careful. Take your own time. See the full video and do see the picture also, whatever picture, whole picture they given, no, see this picture also. According to that only you have to do the color, but only little part I changed the color, no, only that little part you have to observe carefully and do the color. Okay, here I changed only the blue color. In place of light blue, I used dark blue also. For that reason, what you have to do, you have to listen carefully the full whole video, see the video, then you can start to do your work. And one more thing, while doing the work, if you have any doubt, you can call me at any time and clarify your doubt. Don't put the message, call me directly. Okay, sometime I did not see the message, that time you are doing work. Yes, no, for that reason you call me. Okay, directly you should call me and you should clarify your doubt. And one more thing, parents, please help your child to do the color. Okay, tell them to do only the sleeping way or slanting way like that, and tell them to see the video and do whatever color I give them. Because all these days when I am doing the correction, no, that time I am seeing that someone they are doing whatever color I did not given, no, I am changing the color, but they are not changing that color. Whatever it will comes to their mind, they are doing like that. If I said them to use the sketch pen, means they will use crayon. If I said them to use crayon, means they will use sketch pen. For that reason, please parents, please help your child to complete their work. Okay, thank you.